How do specialized connective tissues, like blood and bone, share an origin? Imagine two very different tissues in your body, one that moves you around and another that keeps you alive. They might seem worlds apart, but they actually come from the same starting point. Let's find out how blood and bone share a common beginning. All connective tissues in your body, including blood and bone, start from a special kind of cell called mesenchymal stem cells. These cells are like versatile builders that can turn into many different types of tissues. They come from the embryonic mesoderm, which is one of the earliest layers of cells in your developing embryo. During early development, these mesenchymal cells are very flexible and can become various tissues that support and connect your body parts. Bone forms in two main ways. One is called intramembranous ossification, where mesenchymal cells directly turn into osteoblasts, the cells that build bone. This process creates flat bones like those in your skull. The other way is endochondral ossification. Here, mesenchymal cells first become cartilage cells called chondrocytes, creating a cartilage model. Later, this cartilage is replaced by bone, with blood vessels invading the area to bring in more cells and nutrients. Blood also comes from the same starting point. Inside your bones, there is a special tissue called bone marrow. This marrow is a type of connective tissue that produces blood cells. The blood cells develop from hematopoietic stem cells, which are also derived from mesenchymal stem cells. The marrow environment is maintained by stromal cells that come from the same mesenchymal origin. These stromal cells help support the growth and development of blood cells. During bone growth, blood vessels grow into the developing bone, bringing in hematopoietic stem cells. These cells settle in the marrow and start making red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. This shows how blood and bone are linked through their shared origin and the way blood cells are made inside the bone marrow. So, even though blood and bone serve very different roles, they both start from the same type of versatile cell called mesenchymal stem cells. Bone forms by transforming these cells directly into bone-building cells or through a cartilage stage. Blood cells develop inside the bone marrow, which is a specialized connective tissue that comes from the same initial cells. This shared origin highlights how different tissues in your body can develop from a common starting point, each taking on unique roles to keep you healthy and moving.